Today I'm making tortellini soup that requires zero prep work, starting off by adding olive oil in the pan and sauteing these diced veggies from Trader Joe's. I added about half of the container, adding a little bit more to get some carrots in there. Next I added vegetable broth. I added just enough to deglaze the pan and so there was enough liquid for the tortellini to simmer in. Now I'm adding this cheese tortellini from Trader Joe's. And then I let this simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes until the noodles are done. And then I went ahead and added this tomato and roasted red pepper soup, also from Trader Joe's. I added maybe 3/4 of the container of this. And once this is in, you don't want to let it cook for too long because there is a little bit of dairy in this soup. Once this was in, I added a few handfuls of spinach and then let that wilt in the liquid. And then I topped with Parmesan and served. My boyfriend said this is his favorite soup yet.